In this video, we listed the 5 best docking station on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Baseus BS-OH175 Docking Station. The Baseus SpaceMate Series 11 in 1 docking station ** is a versatile and compact device designed for seamless connectivity across various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. With a sleek aluminum alloy construction, this docking station features 11 ports, offering extensive functionality such as dual HDMI and DisplayPort outputs for 4K at 60Hz video, multiple USB-A and USB-C data ports with high transfer speeds, a gigabit Ethernet port for stable internet connections, and a 3.5mm audio jack for enhanced sound quality. It supports pass-through charging with a maximum power input of 100W and includes a smart digital display to monitor connection statuses. The innovative upright design ensures space-saving convenience, making it ideal for mobile offices. With support for triple display on Windows systems and dual display on Mac OS, the Baseus SpaceMate is crafted for users seeking elegance and power in their tech accessories. Number 2. UGREEN CM555 Docking Station. The UGREEN 12 in 1 docking station, model CM555-90325, is a powerful and versatile accessory designed to enhance connectivity for laptops and computers. Featuring advanced display link technology, it supports triple display configurations on both Mac OS and Windows, allowing users to connect up to 3 monitors with impressive resolutions, including 8K at 30Hz and 4K at 60Hz. This docking station includes 12 ports, such as HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-A and USB-C with high-speed data transfer capabilities, an RJ45 port for gigabit Ethernet, and SD/TF card readers for seamless media access. Additionally, it provides 100W power delivery for fast laptop charging, making it ideal for both office and creative environments. With its aluminum alloy design and compact size, the UGREEN docking station combines functionality and elegance, ensuring a clutter-free workspace while meeting all connectivity needs. Number 3. Baseus UltraJoy Series 11 Port HUB Docking Station. The Baseus UltraJoy Series 11 Port HUB Docking Station is a versatile and compact accessory designed to significantly enhance connectivity for laptops and other devices. With a sleek aluminum alloy construction, this docking station features 11 ports, including dual HDMI ports supporting 4K at 60Hz, a DisplayPort for high-resolution output, multiple USB-A 3.0 ports for fast data transfer, a gigabit RJ45 Ethernet port for stable internet connectivity, and SD/TF card readers for quick media access. It offers 100W power delivery for rapid charging, making it ideal for powering laptops and peripherals simultaneously. Designed for plug-and-play functionality, it is compatible with various operating systems, including Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. The UltraJoy hub supports triple display configurations, ensuring efficient multitasking, while its advanced safety features protect devices from overcurrent and short circuits. This docking station combines functionality and portability, making it an essential tool for both professional and personal use. Number 4. UGREEN 13 in 1 USB-C Docking Station. The UGREEN 13 in 1 USB-C docking station is an advanced connectivity solution designed to enhance the functionality of laptops and other devices across various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iOS, and Android. This versatile docking station features 13 ports, including dual HDMI ports and a DisplayPort that support up to 4K resolution at 60Hz, alongside multiple USB-A and USB-C ports with high-speed data transfer capabilities of up to 10 gigabits per second. It also offers a 100W power delivery port for fast charging, an RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port for stable internet connectivity, and SD/TF card slots for simultaneous media access. The docking station's aluminum alloy casing ensures effective heat dissipation, enhancing durability and performance during heavy use. With its ability to support triple displays and its optimized design for productivity and entertainment, the UGREEN docking station is ideal for professionals, video editors, and anyone seeking to maximize their workspace efficiency. Number 5. UGREEN USB-C Docking Station. The UGREEN Dual HDMI USB-C Hub docking station is a versatile and powerful accessory designed to enhance connectivity for laptops and gaming consoles, including the Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck. Featuring 10 ports, this docking station supports dual HDMI outputs with resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz, making it ideal for multitasking and immersive gaming experiences. It utilizes USB 3.2 Gen 2 technology, providing data transfer speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, and includes multiple USB-C and USB-A ports for versatile device connections. Their hub also features a 1000 megabits per second RJ45 Ethernet port for fast internet access, along with SD and TF card slots that allow simultaneous reading and writing of media. With 100W power delivery for fast charging and built-in protective measures against voltage shocks and overcurrent, this docking station combines functionality, durability, and ease of use, making it an essential tool for both professional and gaming environments.